Happy morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about second BSc Mathematics. Title of the paper is Real Analysis, Unit 3, Differentiation only. So the differentiation is associated with one is limits, another is continuity, another is derivatives only. So limits already studied in intermediate concept, and continuity also studied in intermediate concept, and the differentiation is studied in theoretical way in degree concept only. So first of all, let us define the definition of the derivative. Definition, let f from closed interval a b to r be a function, closed interval a b to r be a function, and c belongs to closed interval a b. Then f is said to be the derivable at c if for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that x minus c less than delta implies f of x minus f of c by x minus c minus f dash of c less than epsilon. This is the theoretical definition of the derivative. We write f dash c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c exists. X is always not equal to c. That is the definition of the derivative. Let f from closed interval a b to r be a function and c belongs to domain. Then f is said to be derivable or differentiable at c if for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0 such that modulus of x minus c less than delta, that means the distance between x and c less than delta, implies modulus of f of x minus f of c by x minus c minus f dash c less than epsilon. Therefore this f is called a derivable, that is f dash c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c, x not equal to 0. Now we have discussed some important points on the derivatives, that is the preliminary points. F is derivable at c if and only if limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c exists. So that is f of x, that is a existence for the first principle only. Second one is LF dash c is equal to RF dash c if and only if f is a derivable at c. That is, f is a derivable means right hand derivative exists, left hand derivative exists. What is meaning of LF dash c? Equals to limit x tends to c minus limit x tends to c f of x, limit x tends to c minus f of x minus f of c by x minus c is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of c minus h minus f of c by minus h is greater than 0. This is nothing but, this is called left hand derivative, simply is known as left derivative. And fourth one, RF dash c equals to limit x tends to c plus f of x minus f of c by x minus c. is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h where h greater than 0. This is a right derivative. Right hand derivative, sometimes called right derivative. One is left derivative, other is right derivative. Left derivative is equal to right derivative, then f is differentiable at a point c. Left derivative not is equal to right derivative, f is not differentiable. So fifth one, LF dash C not is equal to RF dash C implies f is not derivable at C. Sixth one, f is derivable if f is derivable at every point of its domain. F is derivable at every point of its derivable, its domain. So these are the 6 points we have studied carefully, and by using these 6 points we are proving some problems and solving problems, and we are proving theorems also, right? So what is the first point? Left derivative is equal to right derivative, then f is derivable. Left derivative means limit x tends to c minus f of x minus f of c by x minus c. Right derivative similarly, left derivative is equal to right derivative means f is derivable. Left derivative not is equal to right derivative, f is not derivable. F is derivable means it is differentiable at every point of its domain. Now coming to the example of derivable. Example. One. Suppose f of x is equal to this modulus function only. Generally we are using a standard properties or standard examples we have studied first, and then we are moving into difficulty problems, means complex problems only. So consider this f of x mod x. We know the modulus of x, already you know meaning of, that is x is positive, minus x is negative, 0, x is equal to 0. How you can find a left derivative and how we can find a right derivative? So LF dash C, that means LF dash 0 is equal to, the formula is limit x tends to 0 minus f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x means modulus of x, f of 0 at 0 is 0 by x minus 0. The symbol is known as limit x tends to 0 minus modulus of x whenever x less than 0 minus x by x is nothing but minus 1. So left derivative at 0 is minus 1. So right derivative LF dash 0 equals to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus modulus of x minus 0 by x minus 0. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus modulus of x means x by x is nothing but 1. So 1 is left derivative is minus 1, right derivative is plus 1. That means f is, here in this case, LF dash 0 not is equal to RF dash 0. That is, f is not derivable at C. C means at 0 only. F is not derivable at 0. Example 2. Every constant function is derivable. How you can prove for this problem? Constant function means f of x is equal to k for all x belongs to domain. For all x belongs to the domain only, right? So what about a left hand derivative? LF dash at any point at 0 equals to limit x tends to 0. 0 means suppose a f of x minus f of a by x minus a is equal to limit a minus limit x tends to a minus f of x means k minus f of a also k by x minus a. So k minus k is 0, numerator 0, that means total value is 0. And what about rf dash a equals to limit x tends to 0 a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. What is that value? Limit x tends to a plus this value is k and this value is also k by x minus a equals to k minus k is 0. So value is 0. Because of f of x here, f of x y is k for all x, that is x replaced f of x means k, a also x replaced a we are getting k, x replaced any other value we are getting always k on that, because of this is a constant function only. So by left derivative is 0, right derivative is also 0. Therefore LF dash at a is equal to RF dash at a. So it is a differentiable at a. So it is always differentiable at every point of its domain. Therefore f is differentiable. Every constant function is always derivable. So thank you very much for good listening. Thank you.